We have another anonymous question because this person is throwing their realtor under the bus.
Uh-oh.
So anonymous says, well, the realtor deserves it. Anonymous says, we discussed a price with the realtor. Then the realtor listed the property for, he says it, then the realtor listed it for $50,000 less than what we discussed. What can we do? We want out. From anonymous.
Okay, we have to always make this disclaimer. You know,
Sure.
I say it all the time. You want to say it with me? There are great realtors out there.
Yes.
And then there aren't, just like there are great, attorneys, accountants, dentists, doctors, etc.
Right.
But
Everything.
okay, so now that I got that out of the way, in this situation, a listing agreement, which is what it sounds like we're talking about here, these people listed with a real estate broker. The listing agreement is the guidelines for the relationship between a home seller and their selling agent, as to what is going to happen when it comes to marketing the property. Okay. And in that listing agreement, it's going to talk about what the seller is going to pay in commission, how the home is going to be marketed, and what the obligations are by the agent to the seller, because the agent is actually a fiduciary and works on behalf of the seller. And then most importantly, in there is going to be how long that home will be listed, where it's going to be listed, usually in the MLS, and then lastly, what's going to be the sales price, or what we call the list price. Okay. Okay. Guess who has to sign that listing agreement?
The seller.
The seller, which is these people who are writing
these people. Yeah.
And they're unhappy. Their agent put it in for $50,000 less. Now, if in the listing agreement, let's say the home price was $300,000, that's what they were going to sell it for, and the agent put it in for $250,000, there's a breach already of the agreement. Okay, if it was intentional.
Of course.
Right? If it was intentional, if it was a mistake, guess what happens? The agent will put in the correct figure at 300,000. And if it was on there for a while and somebody wants to know why did it go from 250 up to 300 so fast, an agent can write in the notes, initially made a mistake, there's an area for between notes between the agents and the listing ticket that the public doesn't see that says, oh, by accident we put it in for this, it was an oversight, whatever. Doesn't look good for the agent, but you should clarify that for the parties. Okay.
Sure.
So I don't know yet, was this intentional? Was it not intentional? Usually when people write in or call in, they've tried to resolve whatever the issue is before they call the attorney. Okay.
Yeah.
So it could, but it's speculation to say this is intentional. But let's pretend it was intentional for a minute. Okay. This person breached the contract. Go fire him and go get yourself another agent. That's simple.
Okay.
And if you really want to go one step further, if it was intentional, then guess what? Report the agent to the state regulatory commission dealing with real estate agents. Okay, it's called LARA in Michigan.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so this seems like they have a lot of options. Good.
Yeah, good for them.
Good, yes, good for them. We usually don't take questions where it's just so cut and dry. Well, maybe it's a mistake and then they can change it. Or if it's intentional, then you can fire them.
Right.
All right. Very succinct. Good.
I know you're shocked.
I know I am. I don't even know what to say.
You're like, and?
Usually, I know. And isn't there more?
And what else?
I know. What else? Nope. And that's it. Well, good.